When you exclude statistics, there are actually 4 things that Datapump excludes. Datapump excludes table and index statistics, but also statistics preferences and column usage information. Let's dive a little into statistics preferences. But what exactly is statistics preferences? It is something that you can change with the DBMS stats package. And in this example here, I'm changing the table cast blocks property of a table. In the documentation, you can find a number of different properties that you can set on a specific table. Some of those that I see often used is the incremental settings that you can use for partition tables to govern the way that incremental statistics are gathered on your tables. If you choose to include statistics in your Datapump export, Datapump will include the table level statistics preferences. So if you have made changes to the preferences that we saw before, if you include statistics in Datapump, we will move those preferences over into the target database as well. And it doesn't matter if you use full schema or table move, Datapump will move them over to the target database. But I've shown you table level statistics preferences. We also have global statistics preferences. Global statistics preferences apply to all new tables that you create in your database. If you have non-default global statistics preferences, Datapump will not move those over into the target database, not even if you do a full Datapump export. Also in the DBMS stats package, you can find dedicated functionality for moving the table level statistics preferences. So if you decide to exclude statistics and also statistics preferences from your Datapump export, but you would still like to move the table level statistics preferences, you can use the DBMS stats package to move them over into the target database. When you move your data into a new database, don't just blindly copy the statistics preferences. Stop for a minute and think, is it really needed for me to set these statistics preferences in my target database? Typically, you go to a different architecture, new release, new platform, a lot of things changes. So it's a good idea to test using the default values on your target database, whether you actually need those preferences that you had in your source database. When you move data around, it's a good time to reevaluate that strategy.